Hello everybody, today is our boxing video.
Hot wheels.
This is our Christmas set for 9 cars.
Yes, the Jaguar car. Let's try. Let's open it. Yes. Yeah, with
This one is $20 and we can see it's green. It's a green car.
Yeah.
And the name is
Jaguar.
2015
Yeah.
F-Type Project 7. Okay, next. The second card is Hot Wheels City Works the Holy Nader.
Ta-da.
And the third car,
New.
Go Big.
Look, so cool.
Show me the name. The name card. And his name is Volkswagen Golf MK7.
Look.
The fourth. This is new car number 4. Whoa, it dropped. Okay, no big deal. And now we can see the name. It's also a Volkswagen Square back. It's square, really? Square? Oh, all right. This is the new car number 5. And it's all red and colorful. So Christmas style, huh?
Yeah.
Show me the name. The name is, oh, Dodge Van. The year of 77. Okay, and the following car is
Chevrolet pickup.
pickup. Oh, a red pickup. We don't have that. Boy! Okay, and it also it's an art car, and Chevy Silverado. Silverado?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Silverado. So colorful. Nice, nice. I like the colors. We already opened 6 cars, and this is car number 7.
Number 7, Chrysler.
Black?
Yeah.
Name card, please. Oh, another art car. Chrysler 300C. Ah, can you figure out how to open that? Can you figure out? Oh, oh, really? Use your fingers. Hiya! Thick, thick. Now it's opened.
New car. Ha! You.
Okay, the final 2.
New car.
Ha ha ha, so many cars. Whoa! It's the third art car by the name Ford Mustang. 野马跑车. So cool, so Hot Wheels. The final one, the final one. And we will know the name is the name. Wow, the final art car is Chevy Impala. How